Welcome to Goa 365's English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. State government announces plans to amend the Clinical Establishment Act to enhance the safety of medical professionals. Ordinance set to be introduced by September 15. Goa records 150 inches of rainfall in 3 months, 45.8% above average. Active rainfall likely to continue till the weekend. Now for the news in detail. The Goa government has announced plans to amend the Clinical Establishment Act to enhance the safety of medical professionals following a series of recent protests and incidents of violence against healthcare workers. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant revealed that an ordinance will be introduced by September 15th to make the act more stringent.
The decision comes in response to growing concerns and public outcry over the safety of doctors, which has been heightened by the tragic case of a junior doctor in Kolkata who was raped and murdered. The case has sparked nationwide protests, including demonstrations in Goa demanding better protection for medical staff. Speaking after attending a workshop on medical professional safety organized by the Indian Medical Association, Sawant affirmed the government's commitment to amending the existing laws.
The Clinical Establishment Act, that is one, for the safety and security of the doctors. Related to our Goa Medical College in future the district hospitals. Whatever the infrastructure required for their safety, there will take and regular expedite department after the complete so teams should take the initiative and complete that. That is one. Second, administrative clinical correlator college ordinance so that before 15th of September, the ordinance September दूसरी गजाल, if you want to suggest any more amendment for that also, we are ready. It is a concern with the safety of the doctors. Magarista is regarding the filing of the FIR and बाकीचं procedural next is procedural doctor. आम्ही हे सगळे वर्कशॉपवर किंवा देशभर या इश्यूच्याबद्दल लक्ष केंद्रित केले जाते. जे अमानवी कृत्य ज्यांच्या कडल्यान बेंगलोरान जालें ते खंयसरूच जावचें न्ही हांवें मुद्दाम म्हणटा की अमानवी कृत्य जे आमी जशें म्हणटा की क्लिनिकल एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट एक्ट हाजें इम्पॉर्टन्स कशा पद्दतीन कितें हें समजून सांगलां आनी इन फ्युचर सेफ्टी आनी सेक्युरिटी ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स इन गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटल आनी प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटल ही कशा पद्दतीन घेवची ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली तातूंतल्यान डिस्कस जाला आनी इन लॉंग रन हो स्टेट लेवलचो पयलो वर्कशॉप इन फ्युचर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवलचेर वर्कशॉप जातले. सगळी पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटां पुलीस आउटपोस्ट पुलीस पोस्ट हे सेन्सिटायज करतले जेणे करून गोंयांत ज्या पद्दतीची बंगालान केस जाली त्या पद्दतीची गोंयांत अशी एक सुद्दां केस जावची न्ही इतके प्रिकॉशन आमचे होम डिपार्टमेंट घेतले हेजो एश्युरन्स आमी इंडियन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन हांकां दिता आनी त्या सेफ्टी आनी सेक्युरिटी ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स प्रोफेशन हांच्या खातीर सातत्यान काम करता.
Yet, this move raises critical questions. Why did it take a tragic incident to prompt the government to take decisive action? Was there a systemic failure in addressing the safety of medical professionals before public outrage forced their hand? Could earlier preventive measures have averted such violence, or are these reforms merely a reaction to recent unrest? Manish Parab and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.
The historic Portuguese era building in Bisholi that once housed a police station and currently used by a government office and the civil supply department is in urgent need of repair. Its failing roof risks collapsing onto vehicles parked on the busy adjacent road. Local residents are urging authorities to address the safety hazard to prevent potential damage. Here's our reporter Mahesh Govekar with the full story.
आम्ही पळयतात की फाटल्यान जी बिल्डींग आमकां दिसता जी ओल्ड पोर्चुगीज एराची बिल्डींग आनी हांगा पयलीं पुलीस स्टेशन आशिल्लें दिवचलचें आतां ते वयर शिफ्ट जाला सादारण 10 वर्सां जावन गेली आनी ही बिल्डींग तशीच आसा. हांगा एक प्रोजेक्ट येवपाचो आसा अशें आमकां कळ्ळां पूण अजून पर्यंत तेजो पत्तो ना. आतां आमकां दिसला की हांगासर ज्यो 2 गव्हर्मेंट ऑफीस आसा एका सायडीन आनी सिवील सप्लायचे एक गुदांव आसा एके सायडीन आनी वयलो तुमी रूफ पळयल्यार तो सामको तुटलेलो आसा. आनी हो एक बिजी रोड हांगासर बागायतदार आसा तशेंच हॉटेलां आसा शॉप्स आसा आनी खुबशे पार्किंग हांगा जाता. पूण जे रूफ तुटला तेज्या पोनस पार्किंग खुबशें जाता हांगासर आनी आतां रूफ तुटल्या कारणान वयले जे नळे म्हणटात ते वयरसून पडून गाडयो डॅमेज जावपाक शकता तशेंच कोणूय इंजर्डूय जावपाक शकता कित्याक हांगासर मोठ्या प्रमाणान येरादारी जाता. हेचेर गव्हर्मेंट ऑफीस आसल्या कारणान ही बिल्डींग सामकी निग्लेक्टेड जाल्ली आसा. फक्त ऑफीस घातलें म्हणून जायना, गव्हर्मेंटान हेजेर लक्ष दिवपाक जाय. कुशीकूच कलेक्टराची बिल्डींग आसा तांच्यांनी ह्या बिल्डिंगेचेर लक्ष दिवपाक जाय नाजाल्यार हांगा एक दुर्घटना जावपाची शक्यता आसा. त्याच्या पयलीं हे जे ओल्ड पुलीस स्टेशन आसा बरें सामको मोठो जागो आसा थंयसर आतां कितें येतलें तें पळोवया. त्याच्या पयलीं हे डॅमेज जे रूफ जाल्ले आसा ते सारके करपाक जाय तेंच्यांनी कोणी इंजर्ड जावच्या पयलीं. आतां कितें हेका प्रॉब्लम आसा सांगा.
पाटना हें आसा सुटलेलें आसा न्ही ती पडों शकता कोणाचे गाडी बीन सकयल आसा जाल्यार आनी कोणा तकलेर बीन पडली जाल्यार कॅज्युअलिटी कितें जावं शकता.
ही एरिया खंयची?
ही हांगा शानबागाच्या समोर आसा
आनी ही बिल्डींग कसली?
बिल्डींग गव्हर्मेंट बिल्डींग ती.
पयलीं कितें आहलें थंय?
हय
पयलीं कितें आहलें?
पयलीं खबर ना तें बंद ऑफीस. पुलीस कॅन्टीन आहलें. पुलीस कॅन्टीन.
पुलीस कॅन्टीन. आतां थंय कोण ना.
आतां कांय ना पण भायर पडों शकता न्ही.
आनी हांगा पार्किंग बी जाता?
पार्किंग जाता गाडयो सकयल पार्क केलेली. प्लीज जावन पडले जाल्यार केलें न्ही तें.
गाडयो डॅमेज जावपाक?
गाडी डॅमेज जावं शकता. गाडी डॅमेज कॅज्युअलिटी तकली पडल्या कोणाची हें फुटूं शकता न्ही.
महेश गोवेकर, Manish Parab and Vaishnavi Sargaonkar for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some sports news. In a thrilling match in the second edition of the Bahusaheb Bandodkar Memorial Trophy, Dempo Sports Club secured a crucial 2-1 victory over Sporting Club de Goa. The win not only earned Dempo 3 points in Group A, but also showcased their resilience as they overcame an early setback. Let's take a closer look at how the action unfolded on the field.
The match kicked off with high energy as both teams were in desperate need of a win. Sporting Club de Goa, the GPL champions, struck first when Doyle Alves found the back of the net in the 21st minute, curling a beautiful shot into the bottom left corner. The Flaming Orange dominated the midfield with short, precise passes, but the lead was soon challenged. Dempo SC, newly promoted to the I-League, didn't take long to respond. In the 32nd minute, Shubham Rawat's clever pass sliced through the SC Goa defence, landing at the feet of Kapil Hoble. With poise and precision, Hoble slotted the ball past the goalkeeper to level the score at 1-1, setting the stage for a fierce battle. The second half saw Dempo SC ramp up their efforts to seize control of the match. Their persistence paid off in the 72nd minute thanks to a costly error by SC Goa's goalkeeper Abhimanyu Singh. After misjudging a back pass from Myron Fernandes, Singh found himself out of position. Dempo's Vinay Harji quickly intercepted the loose ball, and Shubham Rawat made no mistake in capitalizing on the opportunity, blasting it into the net to give Dempo a 2-1 lead, which ultimately earned them the win.
Did you all play a different system today?
The same system we played.
But why was this substitution, 3 substitutes
You can make 3 substitute. No problem.
with the same system? And did you all try the same system?
Yeah, we tried the same system, but the substitute can as many like 3, 4 also. With 3 chances we get 5 to substitute 5 goals.
Okay, with the absence of Mr. Samit Naik, any difference in the answer?
Yes, boys must be missing the coach because he was always with them and definitely he missed the boys also. We are playing our last 8 days of 4 matches. So for our boys it will be very tough. But that's I-League team, Dempo's I-League team. So we gave our best, we tried our best, but silly mistake it cost us. Yeah.
Sandeep Tuekar, Subhashish Govekar and Vaishnavi Salgaonkar for Goa 365.
And lastly, for the weather. With another month left of the monsoon season, Goa has already recorded 150 inches of rainfall this year, 45.8% above the normal level. Goa touched the 100-inch mark in just 51 days on July 21st, with the next 50 inches taking a little over a month owing to a lull in the season. However, more rain is in store with yellow alerts in effect till September 1st.
Looking ahead, heavy showers are expected to continue for another 5 days, with IMD issuing a yellow alert until the 1st of September. Most areas will get moderate rain, but isolated heavy showers are very likely. The IMD also warns that the next few days will be windy, which will only add to the stormy conditions. On Thursday, the overall weather will be overcast and gloomy, with the maximum and minimum temperatures forecasted to be 30 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively. Heavy showers expected to continue for next 5 days. IMD issues yellow alert till 1st September. Most places to get moderate rain, but isolated heavy showers very likely. IMD predicts very windy conditions over next 2 days. The maximum and minimum temperatures on Thursday, 30 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube, Goa365 TV. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.